In front of me is Motorola Moto E15 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Choose the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to turn it on and hit Google Password Manager. Now tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. When you finished, to add your password to Passwords Manager, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!